Welcome to this tutorial on how to change the background color in Thinkorswim. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to customize your trading platform's appearance, making it more comfortable for your eyes and suited to your preferences. Whether you want a dark theme for a moody vibe or a lighter theme for better visibility, we have you covered. First, launch the Thinkorswim application and log into your account. Once you are on the main interface, locate the gear icon at the upper right of the screen. This icon opens the settings menu. Click on it and look for the option labeled Visual, which will lead you to the appearance settings. In the visual settings, you will see options for changing the background color. There are several predefined color themes available for you to choose from. If you want to customize your own background, you can select the color picker option. Click on the color field and choose your preferred color from the palette, or enter a specific hex code if you have one in mind. Once you have made your selections, don't forget to click Apply to save your changes. Lastly, take a moment to review your new background settings and ensure everything looks the way you want it. If you need to make any adjustments, you can always revisit the visual settings. Thank you for watching this tutorial on changing the background color in Thinkorswim. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading!